Your Excellency, the President, Deputy President, Prime Cabinet Secretary, the Chief Celebrant of the Day, the Honorable Aden Duale, and all dignitaries that are here, I greet you all good evening. I'll say three quick things. Number one is that when you're speaking, CS Duale, three things came to my mind. Number one is that you have achieved so much because you went to a great university. I know the university that you went to tucked somewhere in the green, beautiful, lush highlands of the Rift Valley. When you were in class, you didn't have the distraction of matatus running next to your classroom or a discotheque distracting your activities as a student, like some of your neighbors next close to you. I'll not say who. Secondly, Aden, the thing that I celebrate the most about you is that you are a man of immense faith. You know, when you talked about standing by your friends, I remembered a picture that is in the book. If you go through the pictures that are in this book, you will see among the many photos that are in the collage section of the book, you will see a momentous day in the political life of our president, the day that we launched URP at the Bomas of Kenya. And there's a famous photo where he's holding the horn, the sign of our party. If you look at that high table, it has about 6 men. Out of all those 6 men, the only one who supported your presidential bid is Aden Duale. The rest failed by the wayside, and they chose different paths. That speaks to you, that you're a man of great and immense faith. You stand with your friends. Of course, third is that as a senator, you know, I'm seated there between the people that preceded me in the office of a majority leader of the Senate. And when you're speaking between us, we were consulting quickly. When you're speaking about the challenges of devolution, and we said there must be something that you forgot to list as part of, on the chapter of devolution, that on the side of the senators, we hold the view that you are one of the challenges to devolution. I don't think you believe that, but it's a common joke in the Senate. But I know it's for good reason. Now that I serve in this office, I appreciate and know the kind of things that you do. But lastly, because we've been told that 2 to 3 minutes we should be done and out of here, is that I want to challenge my colleagues that are here. It's not every day that you do something that will live 100 years after. There are big politicians in this room and big people, men of means, people who've achieved. But I want to tell you, until when you do what Aden Duale has done, you're yet to do something that will outlive you. Record what you have achieved, the things that you are doing, so that 100 years from now, when none of us is still in this room, there'll be a testimonial to the things that you did. So thank you, Aden Duale, for challenging us. I hope all these leaders that are gathered here, together with everybody else, will find time to read. Of course, the last thing that I will say is that there are many people who ask themselves, where do you get the time to read? But I know that you have a lot of time on your hands. You read a lot of books every day. It's only unfortunate that those books are in the form of WhatsApp messages, TikTok videos, and all the time that you spend on your phone. At least take time to split between that time and reading a book so that you add on to your wisdom and the things that you need to know. Thank you very much, CS Aden. Thank you for giving us this great gift. God bless you, and God bless you all. Thank you.
Mr.